You did the siding, and now it's time to pay your contractor. There are 4 things that you need to inspect before giving him the final check. Let's talk about it. We're here in Short Hills, and we're wrapping up the job. I said, you know something? Let me give a message to the homeowners. The first thing that I would do, or I would recommend a homeowner to do, is check your whole surroundings of your property. What are we looking for? We're looking for debris, garbage. We're looking for materials laying on the floor, equipment that's laying on the floor. Did they remove the container? Did they remove the potty john away from the property? That's what I'm looking for as a homeowner. Look at this, for instance, a piece of plywood here, and also a broom. These are items I would definitely look for. And then, not to mention, they probably sat down here, had a coffee, and there's coffee and maybe a little creamer, right? No bueno. So number one, check for garbage.
Very good.
Mira esto. You can't make this up. Es que Dios es bueno. Number 2 is very important, right? It's that your siding, your James Hardie siding, should not touch the floor. You should have a 6-inch clearance. So I would kind of expect this before or as the project is moving along in the process, right? That you would have some type of trim board here, preferably PVC, because if not, James Hardie will not give you a warranty if their product is touching the floor. So if your siding is actually touching the ground or touching the floor, it will eventually fail during time, and James Hardie won't give you a warranty for that. Number 3, very important, is that any penetration should have a light block behind it. Whether it's an outlet, whether it's a light, whether it's a hose bib, you should have a PVC or a James Hardie trim light block behind it. Is as per manufacturer requirements. They don't want any penetration being above 2 inches that won't have something that's sturdy to hold, in this case, the light or the outlet. So number 4 is final touches and a wipe down. So what is the final touches? It's basically touching up little small parts of the siding, maybe a nail hole or something, and then also doing caulking. Caulking or sealing your siding is the most important thing. Why? Because James Hardie made a caulk that matches the same color of the siding, so everything looks seamless. And a wipe down. They're gonna take a rag and wipe down the siding and take out any small debris or any dust that happened during the construction process. These are the 4 things that I would inspect before writing out a check to the contractor. If you like more videos like this and content like this, leave a comment below and tell me what type of videos you would like me to do. Keep watching.